am at this place called the House of Taste. One of the branches here in Bangkok that's located in Sathorn, and I received a memo that that the class can be moved here. I was supposed to take the class at the Nana area at their branch later this evening, and it was moved back to accommodate other guests for the 1 o'clock here at Sathorn. So I took a train over the underground MRT and walked over about 20 minutes over, and here I am. I'm ready to learn how to cook some more Thai food right here at the House of Taste. On a tour.
So I look like I just wake up now.
Spare some good stuff.
Yeah. We just want to see some ingredients. So first off, it's gonna be some of them that I can find in here. But we got some more when we get back to our school, okay? And I'll let you guys know first. I'm not even awake there. So we just use the peel for curry paste. It smells good, fruit smells stronger.
The smaller it is, the
Yeah.
spicier.
This is spicier.
Yeah.
So you guys know what is that?
Like a cucumber.
No. It's a fruit. It's 7 minutes. See? Do not soak it too long. It's gonna be overcooked. And for your rice noodle, when you use it for cooking, I recommend you guys do not make it too soft. It will stick to your wok and burn easily. And if you this shop is coconut. Better coconut easy. This is like aged coconut. When it turns to be brown outside, the meat is gonna be thicker. It's gonna be another version.
She's shredding coconut. That's what we're seeing.
Coconut milk anyway, we're gonna strain it out.
They made some coconut milk. So yeah, they mix up with like coconut milk, coconut cream, even coconut
This
dessert.
one's coconut sugar. This is 50. If you cook for one meal, just like small portion for 4 or 5 people, this one is enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna tour this place for a little bit, for just a few minutes, and then head back to the school, which is about a minute walk away. A small group here for the class. 2 other people representing Washington, D.C. 1 person representing Australia, and the other out of France. We're just moments away of cooking, and I'm gonna learn how to be one of the best chefs on the planet. I don't know, it's gonna take a lot of time, but we'll see. We'll see how I perform today in this classroom, right here, at this place called the House of Thai. Or no, the House of Taste. The House of Taste. I got it wrong. Let's get it right. The House of Taste. Cooking some Thai food, right here.
Oh, that's bad. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that's actually.
It's your main ingredient for pad thai.
Put everything together and you guys want to taste the flavor? Give me your hand.
It's not nasty, but it's very bitter.
3 to 5 hours before cooking. So you gotta plan first.
Wow.
It's already soft. Picture in a hair if you want to take picture, give you time taking picture. ร้อนมาก very hot very hot. No, not a coconut cream. Why not? Because coconut here we can play it up all the time. Even outside. Now look at this.
Nice.
This is called the tom kha soup that I just learned how to cook. It's got all kinds of different flavors with some coconut milk in here, some chicken, some pepper. Looks really good. I'm gonna give this thing a try.
Like that combination of things, like how did that?
That was good, but it was pretty spicy. But I got my next course of my meal coming up really soon, and I'm getting ready to cook. Let's have at it.
So before we cook pepper sauce, you got coconut milk, sugar, salt, and rice flour to make sauce thicker.
For sticky rice.
Both sides, I will add this to the rice and mix it.
Wow.
Man, good food, like good bread, good meat, good God bless you.
กินให้อร่อยนะคะ
Try to buy and I think you're like, wait a minute, what's going
Coriander seeds and peppercorn. Chili, even though this type of chili it's not spicy. But as I told you guys, when it's dry, it's gonna be a little bit spicy. And then you can add this back.
Fish sauce. Tamarind sauce. And some coconut sugar. Oh, that meal is so good. I'm enjoying the class, but we have one more thing we gotta try, and we actually worked on it earlier, and I'll show you to it momentarily. Look at this! Ooh. Well, that was a fantastic class. I tell you, great way to learn how to cook some Thai food. And they actually have a program where under a destination Thailand visa that you can take a number of classes that last for 6, 9, or 12 months. Things do tend to change on certain things under that particular program. But, you know, I actually have one class out of the way. I still could probably have a few more to take under that curriculum. So we'll see, but who knows? I probably will be taking a lot more classes to come. Thank you to everybody at the House of Taste Cooking School. I had a great time today. Great food.